Hi, I'm Paul Rudalavage from Synergy Electrical Sales. Today I'm going to show you motion sensors with the Lutron Grafik Eye unit, specifically the Lutron wireless sensors. This is the Grafik Eye QS unit, and within this unit, this can communicate wirelessly to motion sensors. If this unit is in your room, it has a distance of 60 feet to motion sensors. We can also put multiple sensors that are in there. So today we're going to show you how to sync up the sensors with the Grafik Eye. Before I do that, I'm going to show you how to remove a sensor if you ever had a case where you needed to troubleshoot or reinstall a sensor for some reason. I want to show you how to do that first. Okay, so this is the Grafik Eye QS unit. We open it up. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put it into programming mode by I'm pressing the on button and the off button at the same time. And the first thing we need to do is enable wireless communication for the setup function. So I'm going to go to wireless mode. I'm just toggling here to the screen. Okay, it says wireless mode. We're going to hit enabled for 30 minutes. So that means we can add sensors for 30 minutes while we do this. This is just a little feature they have to protect access to the system. So it's going to give us 30 minutes here. It times out automatically to add these sensors in. So I'm going to hit OK. So that's enabled now. All right, and if I wanted to remove the sensor, I'm going to go into sensor setup. Okay, now this one's already programmed. So what I can do here to take it out of programming, in other words, unlink it from the sensor, I'm going to do a triple tap hold, triple tap on this sensor. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, hold, and then tap it very quickly while that was going on there. So now this sensor is no longer attached to it. Okay, we'll program that one in a second, but I have this sensor here, which I also want to add into the programming. So it says sensor setup, add wireless sensor. I'm going to press OK. All right, now if I go here on the sensor, there's two buttons, a test and a light bulb. This time I want to use the light bulb. I'm going to press and hold the light bulb for 6 seconds. Okay, you see that flashed? All right, so it found the sensor. That's the serial number. It says press OK to save. All right, and then I'm going to come back to this one. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm pressing, holding the light bulb for 6 seconds until we see it flash. All right, press OK to save. Okay, so now I have two sensors. All right. So I'm going to go back. Okay, so sensor setup, occupancy, setup. So now it's going through its memory. We're just confirming that these sensors are added in. So let's see what we see. Now when we do this, it may show the Grafik Eye also has a contact closure input, which if you wanted to do a hardwired sensor, you could connect that to the back. Okay, so we might see that, but all right, so we see the sensors here. It's showing us two, RF with a serial number, RF with a serial number. If I hit OK, assign, it says it's assigned. All right, and if I hit to the second one, assign, okay, it's assigned. All right, so now these sensors are set up. Now we have a few more options here. It says mode. So this is called scene mode, which means when we have an event, it would go to, I'll show you the next screen, it's easiest. When it's occupied, it shows you scene 1, hit OK, unoccupied, scene off. So that's what we wanted to do. All right, so now we have it set up. What we're going to do is take this out of programming mode. Okay, and then the next thing we can do, just to confirm that it's synced up, is I can press the light bulb on this twice, and when I do it, watch the LEDs. Those indicate the light levels in the space. So if I press it, lights went off, press it, lights go on. So now we know that the sensor is communicating. I can do the same thing with the other one, press it, lights go off, press it again, lights go on, and you're done. The timeout for the sensor is adjusted right on the back of it. This one's set for 15 minutes, which is appropriate for a classroom, which is where we're going to use it. As always, thanks for watching.